Hello, I would like to present to you an excellent business opportunity, with a guaranteed return. A request for a subsoil concession of approximately 960 hectares in mining areas, located in the municipality of Diamantina, Minas Gerais, near the district of Senador Mourão, is for sale. The subsoil is highly mineralized, with an abundance of quartz and oxides in both directions, and offers easy access for the installation of washing plants and other extraction equipment. The area has road and power grid infrastructure, facilitating logistics and operations. This property contains deposits of various minerals, including industrial quartz, rutile quartz, graphite, cassiterite, beryllium, gold, diamonds, and much more. The concession is in the mineral research phase, with all permits up to date, ensuring safety and legal compliance. Important, we only negotiate with legal entities with an active CNPJ and proven purchasing potential, and a letter of interest to purchase is also required. We do not require intermediaries or curious parties. We invite you to share this opportunity with your contacts so that it reaches as many interested investors as possible. For more information and to schedule a visit, contact us via WhatsApp 279950399945.